very much for joining me. Did you hear about the judge that apologized to the suspect in the Trump assassination attempt? The one that ran through security at the hotel? I would really like to know what you think about this. In a striking courtroom moment, U.S. Magistrate Judge Zia Faruqui apologized yesterday, to Cole Tomas Allen, the 31-year-old man accused of attempting to assassinate President Donald Trump at the White House Correspondents Dinner. "I'm sorry," Faruqui told Allen during an emergency hearing. "Whatever you've been through, I apologize for the prior week." What do you think about the judge apologizing to this guy? Allen faces serious federal charges, including attempted assassination of the president after the April 25th incident at the Washington Hilton. Prosecutors say he traveled from California, breached security, fired a shotgun that struck a Secret Service agent. Well, if it was a shotgun, it probably had slugs in it because a shotgun would have, the pellets would be really wide. So I don't know if it was a handgun, but they're saying now it was a shotgun. He also carried additional weapons while expressing intent to target Trump and administration officials. The focus on Monday's hearing, however, shifted from alleged crime to Allen's treatment at the D.C. jail. Judge Faruqui expressed grave concern about Allen's placement in a restrictive safe cell under suicide watch protocols. Despite a mental health evaluation finding no self-harm risk, he described the condition as akin to solitary confinement, including isolation, limited access to religious materials like a Bible, and excessive restraints. Faruqui grilled jail officials, calling the treatment disturbing and legally deficient. He noted that Allen, who had no prior criminal record, appeared to face harsher restrictions than some January 6th defendants he has overseen. "It could drive a person crazy to be in that situation," the judge said. Now, my understanding of jails where they have extremely violent people and they're transferred there, for at least the first week, they're under heavy restrictions and they're often in a cell by themselves. Am I not right? Am I wrong? What is it? Allen's attorney highlighted denied access to legal visits, religious items, and basic decency. The judge ordered the D.C. Department of Correction to provide an update by Tuesday, today, I guess, on Allen's housing, and warned he would demand explanations for any overly restriction measures. Allen was reportedly moved off watch, following the concerns. The case has sparked heated debate. Supporters of the judge emphasized due process and humane pretrial conditions for all defendants. Critics voice that the apology shows misplaced sympathy for a suspect accused of a violent attack on the president and law enforcement. Faruqui stressed his duty, ensuring Allen received the basic decency of a human being while in custody ahead of further proceedings, including a preliminary hearing. Allen remains in pretrial detention and has not entered a plea. Evidently, inmates that are in what's called a safe cell are required to wear a vest akin to a straitjacket. And Allen's lawyers said in the court filings that his treatment amounts to punishment in violation of his rights. Mr. Allen is forced to be escorted to the shower, strip searched when entering and exiting his cell, and wear a padded vest while inside. Records do show that the day after he was admitted, a nurse said that he should be placed on suicide watch. His lawyer also said that Allen could not make phone calls, have personal items, or a jail tablet. Well, I do know that the jail tablets, sometimes they're in short supply. So you may have to wait to get a tablet. It's like a little small, um, um, like a little tiny computer that it can hold in their lap and um, do classes on and whatever. If someone from the outside sends them money, they can put money on the tablet to watch movies. But I think the movie list is limited. On May 1st, a nurse recommended that he be taken off suicide watch for precaution. That would have been last Friday. So, what are your thoughts? Put your comments down below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.